We've got two models available with the VC4 and the VC4L. The VC4L has got a longer reach than VC4. It's set up to be very easy to teach. All of the commands that you may need to use a tablet or a teach pendant for are readily available at the end of the arm. So the lead through teach, the recording of the points, the weld commands are all right there. Very easy to use, very easy to learn. So the VC4 and VC4L are different from our competition by the overall design for the welding application. That is something that we do in our industrial robots. With the assisted teaching through TouchSense and ArcSense, things that we have running in the background, you don't have to worry so much about getting the programs exactly in the weld joint. The robot will do that for you. So you go through, do the rough teaching, the robot will come in, use the weld wire to touch the part and offset those joints to be perfect alignment. I think my favorite thing about this cobot for OTC is that the motion, the feel of it, and just really the overall user experience. It's so much more easy to use, and it's designed for a welding application. The VC4 and VC4L were designed to be robust, be able to hold up in the environment, the welding environment that they're in. It's a unique programming experience. You can start out utilizing the end of arm programming, lead through teach, and then with the same controller, you can move into the teach pendant use and what is utilized on our industrial robots seamlessly. So it's a great transition as you gain knowledge and you get more comfortable with the robotic platform and programming. It's just an easy transition over to standard industrial robot programming.